Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to talk about the eyeliner that can truly change your makeup look. I'm going to review this and try it on myself so that you can see how my makeup can transform. I am excited because we're going to have a review on a very beautiful product which many Asian girls are using, who love to use eyeliner to make their eyes more dolly, more like a Barbie doll. First of all, the eyeliner that I am talking about is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. This is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner, guys. So let's just do this. Ooh, see, I like the packaging with just one eyeliner. It looks good. And by the way, guys, I am trying to use a black 5 in marine. This is the shade that I bought. First of all, I'm gonna use a tape because I wanted to use this as a guideline in drawing out my eyeliner. Going to have that. I'm gonna use a mirror. There you are. So I just got the tape here on my face, and I'm going to use this as a guideline for my eyeliners. Don't take off the tape until the eyeliner is dry. So just wait there until everything is fully dry, right? Okay, so there you are. That's the result. So it's better to really have the tape at the sides. And look what happened. See? You get a perfect eyeliner at the sides, right? First, you have to line it in the center, going to the center first, and then try to go at the sides, and then when you are at the sides, try to make a line going up into the side of the tape. There. Don't be afraid, you have the tape, so just get into that side. So all the eyeliner is there when you take off the tape. That is why I am using a tape every time I use the eyeliner, because if you do it by yourself, sometimes you cannot avoid to make some mistakes and you have to clean it afterwards. And it's totally up to you if you want to add more eyeliner. The Maybelline Sharp Hyper Eyeliner did a really great job on my makeup look. It really transformed my eyes, and now this is how you can make your eyes look like a dolly eyes, just like many Asian or Korean girls are dying for. So guys, that's it for my video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe on my channel and follow me in all of my videos. See you guys, take care, I love you.